Welcome, one and all, to another Sculpture Turnaround episode, and today's subject, me. This little guy has been done for quite a while. Well, not strictly done. I mean, there's still some work to be done on the hands and the digits, the feet. But overall, I'd say he's pretty much complete. I mean, I still have to make the mouth so that it can open, fix the eye texture, and work out some sort of transparency value I can live with. Because this is David the Jello Fox. Step 34. David the Jello Fox. Yes. Haha. How you doing? Hi. So yeah, I was inspired by the Zootopia style. You can probably see that in the proportions of the character. And I decided, you know what? This is the style I want my character to be. I want him to be, small, but, able to move around, able to still grab stuff with his hands, and, I like the anthro feet, the more fox-like feet, but, he's made of Jello, so there's some bend in there. The idea that he's a Jello fox, but he's got black cherry hands. His mouth and areas which you need to be able to see are like a vanilla cream mixed in. So he's like a Jello cake. He's got multiple Jellos, multiple Jello types. The grape of his eyes, I forget, what did they call this? A confectionery? A confection character? I don't know. But he's a food character. He's just a fun cartoon character that's made out of food and can do cool stuff like whip his tail around, turn it into a minigun, and shoot tiny little bullets of himself at people that go, whee! And then when they hit the target, they bounce off harmlessly and run back to collect into his feet and reload into the tail and shoot out again. When I wanted to come up with a character for my channel to be a good mascot, I decided I wanted something silly, fun, and as creative as possible. And Jello just kind of fits that. It really just kind of fits that whole mentality of a character that's fun and wiggly. Mind you, I'm doing this in Eevee, the shading in Eevee, so I'm kind of limited in what I can do for transparency at the moment. Just playing around with some of the different lighting schemes to show off the model. Oh, I can show you the wireframe. This model has had a re-topology done. I did do a little extra sculpting, so some triangles did appear, some wild triangles. But I just went into the edit mode and turned tris to quads. But overall, this is a fairly simple and well topologied model that would be perfect for animation if I was actually good at it. I'm not. But there's always a future. So yeah, this is my character. This is what I finally settled on after all that time. He is just a cute guy who can be my mascot. Mind you, I'll have to do some work with the mouth so he can talk and have a tongue and teeth. I mean, they'll be Jello teeth, so it won't be scary. He's like nibbling on your arm. What is that? Is it raining? No, I'm biting you. That doesn't feel like teeth. I'm made of Jello. Fear me. Yeah. So yeah, David the Jello Fox. This is me. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like, subscribe. What is that? Is that a thumbs up button? Press it. 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 What's that bell? I don't know what the bell does. I don't care what the bell does. Just tell me you like me. You really, 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 really like me. Please. Thanks for watching.